Hello guys, this is MK. I'm here to present a paper of WPSETC LJE electrical paper. This is the first paper conducted by 14322. Please guys like, share and subscribe. And also I'm here to paper analysis of only technical part. I will make a separate video of reasoning part and general awareness part as well. Okay. First question will be, what should be the length of the span for the centenary wire on a single route in fraction will be? Option B is right, varies with 45 meter to 90 meter. Okay. Second question. Find the force in Newton between 2 point sources Q1 and Q2 in coulombs when the distance between the two charges is d in meter. This is a direct formula question, derivation question. F is equal to, option D is right, F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 Q2 upon D square. Third question will be, a 40 kV single phase transformer has 400 turns on the primary and 100 turns on the secondary. The primary is connected to the 200 220 volt 50 hertz supply. Determine the maximum value of flux. It's direct formula based question. Its direct formula will be used in E2 is equal to 4 into F into 5M into N2. E2 value is given 400, and then direct formula base, it is also answer will be 0 D, option D, 0.025 Weber. Okay guys. Third. Fourth question, which of the following statement is true for eMOSFET? This option C is correct. The eMOSFET is capable of operating only in the enhanced mode. That will be the measurement question. Another one, question 5. Find the phase difference of two signals which produce the above Lissajous figure in CR. 30 degree or 330 degree is the right. Option A is the right. Which of the following is not true for hydroelectric power plant? This question is belong to power system question. The answer is high cost for transmission is right. Okay. And 7th question, two capacitors having capacitance of 6 microfarad and 10 microfarad respectively are connected in series across 320 voltage supply. Find the potential difference across the 6 microfarad capacitor. It's formula based. It's an electric circuit question. You have to know how to solve capacitor based question on electric circuit. You have to easy. It's option B is correct, 200 volt. Unit question, unit based basic electrical engineering question. Another question 8. How much foot candles of illumination is recommended for severe and prolonged visual tasks such as fine engraving and description and inspection in detail is of low contrast? 50. Option B is right. Which of the following grounding system is also referred to as arc suppression coil grounding? Answer A, resonant grounding. Okay, it's right. Which of the following statement is not true for the synchronous motor? Synchronous motor is not true. It can be made operate for lagging to leading power factor. Yeah, it's right. No requirement of it's B. B's answer is right. No requirement of excitation of rotor. Okay. Which of the following characteristic not desirable for the DC amplifier? Low common mode rejection ratio is the right. Question A. Okay. And another one, question 12. Which of the following is not one of the addressing mode in 8085 microprocessor? Question belonging of a microprocessor 8085. Its answer direct will be indirect addressing. Okay. And another one, which of the following instrument is used to measure of air gap between the rotor and stator of the started motor? Filler gauge. Filler gauge is the right answer. And then next question 14. Which of the following is a non-conventional source of energy? Is the easy one, biogas. Okay. Which of the following is not true for the core type transformer? First one is right. Coil used for multi-layer disc type or sandwich type. Okay. Question 16. Which of the following is not true for the saline pole rotor when compared to the cylindrical rotor? The windage loss is less. Yeah, it's not. Windage loss less is not true for saline pole rotor. Okay. And another one, 17. Which of the following device convert the AC supply of one frequency into AC supplies? It's cycloconverter. AC to AC cycloconverter. Okay. DC to AC inverter, AC to DC rectifier. Okay. Question 18. Stepping motor has 8 main poles which has been castellated at 4 teeth each. If the rotor has 40 teeth, calculate the stepping angle. Okay. Its answer will be D, 2.25 degree. Formula based. Another formula based question is stepping angle. A variable reluctance stepper motor has 8 number of winding of a stator and 6 number of teeth on the rotor. Find the step angle. Step angles. Okay. Direct formula based question, 15 degree. Which of the following is true? Question 20 is which of the following is true for the earth fire? Protect the from electric shock. Why we use a earth fire? Protect from electric shock. Okay. A room of 12-meter length and 10-meter breadth is lighted by 15 lamps of fairly uniform illumination of 100 lumen per meter square. Calculate the utilization coefficients of the room given that the output of each lamp in 1600 lumens. Yeah, it's problem based question, but easy one. Option A, 50%. Okay. Question 22. Which of the following disadvantage is true for the oil filled cables? The long length are not possible. Is disadvantage. Okay. Arrange question 23. Arrange the type of lamps ascending order according to their average lumen per watt. Yeah. Option C is right. Incandescent lamps, halogen lamps, fluorescent lamps, and low pressure sodium lamps. This is the last one. Okay. 20. Yeah. Electronics part. Okay. Find the equation of amplification factor beta DC for the common emitter transistor. Consider DC emitter current IC, DC base current IB, and DC emitter IB. We have to write formula. Alpha is equal to IC by IE, and beta DC is equal to IC upon IB. That beta will be IC by IB. Option B is right. Question 25. Which type of enclosure is used for the motor used for chemical works, floor, and cement works? Pipe ventilator. Okay. Question 26. Which of the following is true for the spring control as a controlling force for measuring instrument? Yeah, deflecting torque is directly proportional to current. Okay, it's a uniform scale. Okay, we have to know about such thing. 27. What is the economic voltage between line 3-phase systems where V is the line voltage in kV, the distance of the transmission line in okay. The maximum power per phase delivered to single circuit. Yeah, that will be the question A is right. V is equal to 5.5 to L upon 1.6 plus 3P upon 100 upon bracket the power of 0.5. Okay. Question 28. Which of the following instrument measures the wind speed and passes the speed information to PLC to control turbine power in the wind power plant? Anemometer. Anemometer is the right. Okay. A commutator consists of set of copper segments which are insulated from each other. How is the number of segments determined? Equal to the number of armature coil. It's an easy one. What is the primary task of technical department of the organization? To enhance the quality of finished goods. Okay, you have to know about such thing. Okay, one also. What is the efficiency of Carnot engines? Consider the temperature, the source of T1 and the temperature of the synchronous T2. This question is asked every time. 1 minus T2 upon T1 is. Which of the following is not true for the spiral cage induction motor when compared to same-ring induction motor? Yeah, you have to know about due to presence of external resistance we have to connect. Okay. Motor and high starting torque can be obtained. Option B is right. Which of the following is not true for HVDC transmission? For this HVDC transmission For the same working voltage, the potential stress on the installation is more in case of DC system as well as in the AC system. Okay. Earth leakage, question 24. Earth leakage circuit breaker is arranged to operate very quickly when extremely low leakage current flow. Option B is right. Okay. A coil of copper wire 100 meter long and cross section area is 0.8 mm square has a resistivity 0.02 micro ohm at normal working temperature. Calculate the resistance of the coil. Is a easy one. Answer is 2.5. You solve them. Which of the following can be used to moderator in a nuclear power plant? Graphite. You have to know. Question number 37. Here homopolar link. You see, and you must know about such thing. Homopolar link. What is unipolar link? What is bipolar link? What is monopolar link? You have to know. You are electrical engineer. Question number 38. A body is thrown in a velocity of projection 98 meter per second at an angle of projection is 45 degree. Find the maximum height it can attain to 45 meter. Okay. You solve that. Question 39. Which of the following term in synchronous terms of industrial management, industrial engineering we have to use? Moving coil instrument whose resistance is 15 ohm, full scale deflection with a voltage dynamic. The instrument is used to series multiplier to extend the range of 1V. Find the multiplier resistance. Easy one. You have direct formula based question, measurement question. Okay. R is equal to RSE minus 1. Transducer using Hall effect convert magnetism to voltage. Yeah, P1 is right. What is the term used for one complete to and fro motion in a simple harmonic motion? Oscillation. Okay. 43. What happened to the diversity factor in case of interconnected grid system? Diversity factor increases than diversity factor in case of interconnected grid system. Okay. Question number 44. Which of the following is true for the single phase induction motor compared to 3-phase induction motor? It is more reliable. We have okay. What is the function of the shunt reactor in a substation? To provide reactive power compensation during to the low load. During low load side, to provide reactive power compensation will be provided on them. How many elements are joined in the principal node? 3 or more. Okay. Not none. 3 or more. Okay. Node without 3 or more. Not you cannot resolve the nodal analysis method. Question number 47. Which of the following loads can cause a serious frictional error in induction single phase energy meter? Light load. Light load can cause a serious frictional error in induction type single phase. We have to use high load, full load. Okay. Question number 48. Which type of the lightning arrestor consists of divided spark gap in series with a resistance element having a non-linear characteristic? Valve type lightning arrestor we have to use. What should be the insulation resistance of the HV side of the 1600 kVA 20 kV per 400 voltage free phase transformer at 30 degrees Celsius? 1485. Question, very good question. If two glass sheets used to sandwich the thin layer of liquid crystals are deposited with the transparent electrodes on their inside faces in the liquid crystal cell, then it is known as. This is the electrical ring question. First option is right, transmittive type cell. No problem. Okay, 10 questions more to technical over. The peak anode current and SCR can handle for a short duration is known as, okay, the answer is surge current rating. Yeah, it's right. What are the 4 sections of the total memory in PLC? Input, output, image memory, user memory, data memory, and executive memory. Yeah. It's okay. PLC question. And question 53. Identify the diode. Which diode will be used? It's the Zener diode. We know about symbol about all the electronics symbols we have to know, and all the symbols of the electrical engineering we have to use. Then we have to know about all the symbols. We have to easy to read. Question number 54. How is the breaking capacity of the circuit breaker calculated? It's a direct formula. We have to know about breaking capacity. Breaking capacity is equal to rated symmetrical breaking current, rated service voltage. D is right to 3. Which of the following statement is true for a series circuit is in below resonant frequency? The capacitive reactance is more than the inductive reactance. Okay. Question number 56. It is a microprocessor question. I think so. It's a C programming language. Yeah. What will be the fall of syntax to C programming language? CNF. That one rate of a string maximum secret from the beginning. Okay. Question number 57. What is the purpose of switch mode power supply? Yeah, to convert the unregulated DC supply to regulated DC supply. Okay. All know. 58. Which logic instruction is used in the 8085 microprocessor to complement the content of the accumulator? CMA. According to the which method, network can enumerate the sequence of activities from the starting event and to end event? CPM. Okay. Yeah. How much load is applied? About 1 minute to each insulator during proof load test of insulator. Load of 20% excess specify maximum working. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.